right, so now we are at the time where we are finally going to start solving these inequalities so we can end up with answers like x is less than 4, x is greater than or equal to -4. How do we finally get down to that x part? It's really similar to how we've been solving these one-step equations. I'm always going to start by drawing a line. You guys know, I promise it's not weird. It's not a weird quirk I have. It really does help. I'm going to make my line a different color so you guys can see it a little bit better. Because we still want to keep everything on this side that we're doing equivalent to what we're doing on the right side here. So I still want x on this side all alone. We have a positive x, there's no problem there. And we have a positive 6. We have a plus 6 if that kind of works better for your brain. So how do we get rid of this positive 6? We're going to need to take 6 away from both sides. Let me change that color so you guys can see it. Oops. Meant to change my font color. So we're going to take 6 away from both sides. If I take 6 away from this side, take 6 away from this side, we end up with our 6's will cancel. On this side, we are left with just x is greater than or equal to, I don't have one of those copy and pasted for me. X is greater than or equal to, we have 14 minus 6, that equals 8. So we would say x is greater than or equal to 8. And I'm going to move this over so you guys can see that a little bit better. So we have our answer to our inequality. Now we need to put that on a number line to demonstrate what we're showing. So again, anytime it is greater than or less than equal to, so if it was less than, it would look like this. But you don't change your inequality. There is one chance where we do change the inequality. We flip it around. We're not there yet. So your inequality stays the same up until this point. So since it is equal to, we know we need to take our shape. It says it's greater than or equal to 8. So our 8 dot will get filled in because 8 can be a possible solution to that. And since it is greater, we're going to take our arrow and go to the right. Anytime it is a greater than sign, your arrow goes to the right. Less than, your arrow is going to go to the left. So again, possible solutions to this. 8 is an option. 9 is an option. 400 is an option. 300 and 1/3 is an option. Anything that is greater than or equal to 8 are all possible solutions to this inequality. So on the next 3 slides, you are going to go ahead and solve 3 inequalities. Basically, just like you're doing a one-step equation, draw your line. Your inequality sign does not change. And then hopefully, I think you guys have the ability to start plotting these on a number line as well. So go ahead and give that a shot. And then after that, we'll start talking about what is the one instance when we are going to have to change our inequality sign.